In a world shaped by oppressive systems of power, the Rojava Revolution stands as a beacon of hope, a revolutionary experiment in democracy, autonomy, and liberation. The Rojava Revolution is a shining example of grassroots organizing where communities come together to reject the nation-state, capitalism, and patriarchy. The resistance in Kobane has a profound significance, not only for people in Syria and the Kurdish movement, but for all oppressed people everywhere in the world. Back then, the brave forces and civilians defeated ISIS, showing the power of unity. Kobane became a symbol of resistance against tyranny and extremism. But this was not only a military victory, it was a victory of the spirit, a revolutionary vision for a better world. The international support during the Kobane resistance played a crucial role in its winning. When oppressed people rise up, the world must stand up with them. Now, more than ever, we must reaffirm our support for the Rojava Revolution. The enemies of Rojava, states and empires, fear this vision of freedom. They fear the empowerment of women and the dismantling of hierarchies. The system attacks Rojava because it threatens the foundations of the capitalist exploitation. Despite these attacks, the spirit of resistance must remain strong. We stand in solidarity with the people in Rojava. Above all, you are fighting for human dignity. So this is not just your fight. It's a fight for all of us. Your revolution, it's our revolution. We will never forget Kobane. We will never forget your sacrifices. Борбата за слобода е глобална. Храбри, сплотени до ослободување. Жин, Жан, Азади.